What's up guys, it's your boy Josh, you're watching another FG Mods video. Until recently, when I moved to Brisbane, I had no access to motorsport facilities. There's not all that much up in Townsville where I am from. So as a result, I've actually never had the opportunity to properly drive my car on a track or try and put it sideways at all. So this video is going to be about this weekend when I tried to drive my car on a wet skid pan for the first time. So some friends and I went to a skid control event hosted at Mount Cotton where they wet the track and put diesel on it to make it extra slippy slidey for beginners like myself to practice actually getting their car sideways for the first time. My friend Corey also brought his car, so I gave him one of my GoPros and...
Oh no!
Look at the heck they come on, man.
I just oh my god.
Some of the footage was interesting. But anyway, first time on the track.
Correct. Yeah, keep on the throttle just a little bit.
Yeah.
So.
After doing a couple of laps driving like an 80-year-old on his way back from church on Sunday, I started trying to get the car sideways and pretty much failed again.
Correct the other way. Not just let go.
And again.
Then correct the other way. Throttle to get rid of the understeer, and then correct the other way.
And again.
Right, correct, steer. Yeah.
Oh.
Nice.
And again.
Now, other way. Yep. Throttle off the gas. That way. Yep. Hold. Good. That was fucking good.
Yeah, there we are. Slowly getting used to it.
Again.
Oh, understeer.
When you get understeer, more throttle. Too much throttle.
Too much throttle. Oh boy, what do you think?
He actually has to clutch. I have to clutch kick.
Yeah? I think the first session that I was on was defined more by me somehow managing to get the car facing the wrong way on every single corner than actually managing to get it sideways and controlling it at all. But that's okay, no big deal. We got a few sessions to go and I got plenty of time to practice. Noisy boy. Noisy boy. All right. Do you want to make your other one? Both myself and Corey were told our cars were too loud and we would have to baffle them. There are noise limits at Mount Cotton because there are, you know, residential areas nearby.
Wheels really are wide on the rear, aren't
Big fat wheels.
they? Has anyone actually complimented the opposite of that yet? It hasn't been out of the shit.
Yeah, it hasn't been out of the garage enough. We quickly made up some baffles and stuffed some baffles in our exhausts and got back out on the track again. And this time things were a little bit better. Now that I had begun to understand, okay, don't just stab the throttle halfway in and hold it there. You need to actually have some throttle control. I was actually managing to get the car sideways to a reasonable angle and kind of hold it about half the time maybe.
Yeah, nice. Again. Hands. You would have gotten a nice photo for a second. Definitely getting better.
This aircon is too fucking hot though. There we go.
Nice. And yep.
Understeer.
Yep. Too much.
Jam it.
Again. Throttle, hands. Ease that. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Throttle the other way. Hands. Understeer. Oh, yep.
Whoop.
And throttle. Hands. I mean hands. To the left. To the right. Yes. To the left. Yes, I mean.
Sammy!
Sammy, you will wreck the car.
Hands. Too much throttle, Sammy.
Too much throttle, Sammy, you're breaking the car, Sammy.
Nice. Throttle. Hands. Off the throttle. There, hands. There you go. Nice.
It's not exactly clean, but I'm getting there.
No, that still felt good. Alright, throttle, hands. Beautiful. Nice.
I can feel when it's just like...
There's a peak, and that you're going past. That's when you ease off the throttle.
Yeah.
Peaking point.
Yeah.
So what you want to aim for every corner is a 45
Yeah.
Throttle, down, hands. Beautiful, that's perfect angle, perfect. Hold that, yes.
A little bit more throttle next time.
Angle, that's perfect. Hold that, hold that, hold that, hold that. Nice and wide, beautiful. Dip that, one, beautiful. Throttle, hands, nice. Keep that throttle there, hands. That was clean, that was clean.
And then I jumped in with Corey for a session, and you can really see the difference having good throttle control and an LSD really makes in getting your car sideways and keeping it nice and stable while you do so.
Let's see it. All that beautiful throttle play.
Yeah, mate, that's the way, that's the way.
Just doing what I kept doing. Just whee! That's it.
Oh, that was too
Too
much.
far.
That went a bit too far.
Good.
Much? Not much to the liking.
Whip. That's it. That's it.
No, 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 no. You got it. I got it. I got it. Woohoo!
There she is, boy. Hey.
The entire way. Woo! Maybe. I don't know. It just was very annoying. It felt really whoa, super fast.
Wait, let's see it. Let's see it. Slidey boy.
Very
Oh, slidey boy.
Halfway through the afternoon, they switch directions that you're going on the track just to try and keep things fresh and interesting. And you can see that this is the point where I'm starting to get the hang of it, and I'm now having more success than I am failures.
Oh, there's the grippy bit. Where's that cone? There it is.
You just drag it all the way out with you.
Yeah, boy, look at him go. My man. Great success. Use the grippy bit to straighten back up.
Oh yes. Link it.
No, no, not with that dirt patch there.
Yeah.
Oh, that grip, can feel it. It's just like, ah, look at that angle, boy.
That's nice.
Oh, nope.
Oh. Cones.
Yeah. Shit. It's somewhere under the car, I think. There it is. Ugh. I got one.
Oh, his is so fuely.
Yeah.
So rich. It's definitely liking when you throw it in with more speed.
Yeah. No, this is heaps easier with a bit of speed in behind it.
Yeah.
It's like get it up to 40 k's an hour and then just go whee.
Send it.
Oh, a bit of understeer this time. Whoop.
Oversteer.
Yeah, I guess. Just making sure. Yep, no traction control. cover. And jab.
Yep, hold that angle. Oh, yep, throttle.
I didn't want to risk it. I was like, ah, scaredy cat.
Yep, nice recovery.
There was a
Good
bit of
recovery.
Good
throttle, off the throttle, off the throttle, on the throttle, on the throttle.
yeah.
Off, on, off, on.
Oh,
Very wide, very wide.
I didn't take out the cone though.
Did a Ken block, could have just tapped it. There we go. Josh.
You just linked the whole track though. Yeah, I know. I got it all on film. That's what we like to see. This is so much easier for my car. Anyway. Oh, all good. I got it. Oh, understeer again.
Nice work. More throttle, more throttle, more throttle. Off the throttle, on the throttle.
Oversteer. I mean understeer.
Oh,
Oh,
too much throttle. Oh, Jonesy's on the grass.
hey. Oh, he is.
Oh, that did not sound good.
No, I did not. You alright? Oh, shit!
Bruh.
Bruh. You want a hand?
Maybe push it back up.
Nah, Alistair's got this.
Got it.
He's pulling on it. It's coming.
Are you able to reverse it as well though, Jonesy, or are you bogged?
Are you alright?
I'm right.
Okay, alright.
We were worried you were bogged.
Maybe take that just in case.
Alright.
Yep, go.
Love you, bye.
Go. Nice, nice, nice.
Oh, a bit of understeer there.
Yeah.
Whoa, there's the traction.
Oh yes, Josh! Right behind me, just full fucking action. Tandems!
A little bit more throttle, 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 throttle.
Yeah.
Sort of big gap tandems. Well, we're not gonna fucking hit each other, are we?
Good, 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 good. Hold it off. Jab throttle now. Off the gas.
Oh,
Yep. On the gas. Good, you're out wide, that's alright.
Oh, she's understeer. Yeah, that one bit. That one.
I'm actually not doing as well this time as I was. Oh, that's understeer.
That's alright.
Oh,
Oh, fuck! What was this?
At least we can go home right after this.
oh, understeer. Wrong way.
Stab it now. Flick it there. Stab it. Yep. Oh, too much. Oh, throttle. I was like, you can do a 360. Follow that through.
Oh, Josh, come on, dude. No, don't do it. Hurry up, Josh, hurry up!
I certainly tried.
Okay, stab it. Off the gas. On the
Yeah.
gas. Yeah, good steering, good steering.
Damn it.
dickhead. God damn it. Oh, yeah, single! That's what we like to say, Josh.
I attempted the recovery, but it didn't quite work.
That's right.
I'm just taking off the throttle there because otherwise I'll just go
right.
off.
That's how you do it.
Ah, damn it. So this one corner is really giving me the shits this time, eh?
Starting in second, you know. Get that apex. No, I won't do that. Fucking hell. Fuck. Pothole.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
that's constant now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
And then right on the last lap of the very last session, we noticed that the car started developing a weird knocking noise. There was a clunking occasionally, and we were, you know, having a look at it, and we thought that, okay, it might be something to do with the brakes. The front rotors might be warped. That's happened before, and it has made a similar noise. And then as we were leaving the facility, that's when we kind of went, nope, this is something else. And Falcon things, for the third time now, I have lost a front caliper bolt.
Well, there we go, an update. We're stuck. Stuck on the side of the road, Corey. Yay! So yeah, Falcon life. I've lost a caliper bolt. Oh, holy shit! I haven't lost the bolt.
Wait, what?
Yo!
Hang on, you've lost the nut though. Is there
No, there is no nut. There is no nut.
Wait, what?
That goes on,
Hang on.
and this bolts in. Bruh, we only just got the wheel off, so this is a fresh discovery.
Oh my god! Yes!
That sounds really good.
Yay! What the hell was that? What was
Socket.
It's like kazoo!
It's like some sort of duck call for hunting. All right, good to go.
Oh, are you filming that?
Yep.
Yes.
Yep. Thanks, boys. Yay! You can finally go home. All right, let's get out of here.
But overall, this was a great day and a great time to practice actually getting the car sideways for the first time ever. The area is really good, really stress-free, and you know there's no risk of running into walls or anything whilst you know trying to get your car sideways for the first time ever. And overall, I would say it was well worth it. And now I'm pretty much going to be looking at getting an LSD and putting an LSD in because it'll be a lot easier to control the car without an open diff. So stay tuned for that video at some point in the future. Maybe after the turbo build. Oh my god. It's been a long time since I started buying parts for the turbo build. Anyway, don't forget to grab your FG Mods shirts and banners and stickers at fgmods.com.au. Follow on Facebook and Instagram, subscribe on YouTube, all of that sort of stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video.